How to switch to the back camera in Google Meet. This tutorial shows you how to flip your camera during a meeting on your Android device. First, open the Google Meet app on your Android device. After that, join or start a meeting to enter the call screen. From there, once you're in the meeting, you'll notice your camera is facing towards you in selfie mode by default. At this point, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the camera flip icon next to the call icon. In the next step, your camera will instantly switch from the front camera to the back camera. Following this, tap the same icon again anytime to switch back to selfie mode and tap it once more to go back to the back camera. Finally, if you want to turn off your video entirely, tap on the video icon at the bottom of the screen next to the red End Call button and your camera will be turned off. And that's it. If this Google Meet guide helped you switch your camera, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.